Hey Glam Dolls, so as you've seen by the written intro, it is amazing what a $1 eyeshadow palette can do for you. I'm talking about this LA Colors Cosmetics $1 palette called Classy, and it created the eye look and what you're seeing. So if you want to see more on how I actually put this $1 palette to use, then keep watching this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Okay, dolls, I'm starting out by priming the entire mobile area of my eyes, and with the one for my fingertips, I'm going to take this primer and I'm just going to blend all the way up towards my brow bone, and then I'm going to go into the palette and take this color, which is slightly darker than my natural skin tone. For fluffy blending brush, I'm popping that directly into the crease and blending this in a windshield type motion. I'm now going to pick up a pointed precision blending brush and take the darkest brown color and create an outline of my crease. Again, a pointed precision blending brush. This is just to create the outline of my crease. Once I get the outline going, I'm then going to take another pointed precision blending brush and begin buffing and blending out where I initially created the line. I'm going to blend in a downward motion, go right back into the palette, and now pick up the lid color. And I'm liking it, but I'm going to mix 2 or 3 other colors together just to create a lid color of my liking. And with a flat shader brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply this lid color. The eyeshadows are not chalky when applied. They blend effortlessly easy. So here's the fun part. OMG. This is the Nivea Post-Shea Balm that broke the internet, okay? Nikki Tutorials broke the internet talking about this, using it as a primer. It is for men and it smells like it's for men, but it's really, really great, and it's great for your skin. So I applied my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. And my facial blending brush, I'm just going to take this and begin pulling my whole entire look together by blending my face in using my facial blending brush. And I'm going to blend this in and then focus in on the perimeters of my face to make sure that I have a smooth and even coverage. So once I complete that, I'm now going to pick up my LA Colors Under Eye Concealer. I actually like using this to brighten up underneath the areas of my eyes, but I love mixing it with my Maybelline Dark Rewind Age Circle Eraser. Whew, that was a mouthful, but them 2 colors together creates the perfect highlight for me. And my e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Contour Kit, where I'm going to chisel out that cheekbone area. Use my InStylish Beauty Blender to blend out the highlight underneath the areas of my eyes and the contour along my cheek area. So next up, once I finish this blending, is my favorite product I've been using a lot lately, my LA Colors Face Setting Powder. Love, 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 love this. It's very lightweight, and I love using this to contour out that contour area, and I love placing this underneath the areas of my eyes. It's very lightweight and fluffy. It blends so seamlessly into my skin, and I like using my InStylish Beauty Blender just to dab the product in underneath the areas of my eyes. It definitely helps to set my makeup. And then I'm going to go with my contour blending brush and really start chiseling out that contour because I want it to be a little bit more pronounced. So with whatever residue is already there, I'm just going to begin really deepening that contour. Pick up my facial blending brush with whatever foundation residue is on it and buff out for any harsh lines and demarcations. Again, I'm buffing out for any harsh lines and demarcations along the perimeters of my face, and take off the powder that I put to contour my cheek area. So now that I've gotten that out the way, I'm now going to move into using my LA Colors Skin Illuminating Highlighter, which I've been telling you all about since like forever. I'm going to show you the magic that this thing's bring. Okay, because I've been bragging about this. Let me show it to you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now watch this. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. This is what I've been talking about forever on my channel, is using the LA Colors Skin Illuminator. It gives the perfect glow and it's not overwhelming on the skin. I honestly feel like this will complement any skin tone, and it's so gorgeous when applied. Look at that. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. Yeah, I'm so obsessed with this. So anyway, now that I applied some highlighter, I'm now going to use my blush. This is my Milani Cosmetic blush. Trust me, I am not much of a blush wearer, so the tiniest bit. went a long way for me. Followed by my lip gloss from LA Colors, and this color is called Smashing, and I'm pulling my whole look together. So what do you dolls think? I'm liking it. Yeah, so here's my Miss Glamour Addict Cosmetics Basic New Lippy, which will soon be available for purchase. I keep telling you all it's coming. My lipsticks are infused with jojoba oil and grapeseed oil to help for added moisture. So a little bit of lip gloss to be applied on it, and now I'm going to move into something else that I've been so addicted into doing. But first I gotta fluff my hair up. My faux mole. I don't know, I feel it gives a little bit of added class to the look. What do you dolls think? Yeah, I like it. So now that I add my faux mole, I'm going to conclude this video by spritzing my face with my coconut water and rose oil spray, and voila, that's it. This concludes the look. Not bad for $1. This palette is worth getting. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another one again shortly.